and this is episode 1 of restoring a 72 Super Beetle. And this is my bug, and in this video we will be sanding it and getting it ready to be primered and painted. Cuts it quick. So as you can see here, we've started sanding. The original color was red, and then they painted over it with white. I'm hoping to eventually get it to be mostly yellow with the side panels white. And we've already taken off this trim piece here so that we can sand it a little bit easier. So, whenever I originally bought this, there was no rust on it, and there still is no rust. It was in great condition and still is. And we have made a discovery. So I thought the original paint color was red, but as we can see here, it was orange. Then they painted it red, then they painted it white.
In that specific order?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure.
Here we go. Y'all ready?
Yep. How was your riding experience, Destiny?
Great.
Oh, that's good. It's a manual, so that's fun. We got a drink. Wow, this is fun. What? We're at Walmart. We're at Walmart. He's got to charge his car. Electrics are terrible.
So we just made it back from the store. we got another electric sander. That way we can get this baby sanded and ready to paint. And we started off with, or we're gonna start off with 60 grit and make our way to 120 grit. And then we're going to finally wet sand it right before we paint it. Well, stay tuned for the next episode where we will do some more sanding, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
And that sander's broken.
Hello, today we will be sanding on, redo it.
Okay.
Hold on, my neck. my 19th. So whenever we bought this, or whenever I bought it, there was no rust on it. Still isn't any rust, so it was in great condition. And while we've been sanding, we have made a final discovery, or another discovery. Redo it.
Oh, redo it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, right up to my face.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is all the sanding that we're gonna do.
The next.
The next.
Yeah, instead of 2, then you'll have to count them every time. Just say.
Oh yeah, the next episode.
Oh, okay.
That ain't right either.